Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this 10th standard Science and Technology part 1st. Friends, today we are going to discuss with a question bank on correlation. This question bank has been provided by the SCRT and SSC board. In this session, we will discuss on question number 1b. Let us start with that. Find the correlation. This is question number 1b, the probable questions that could be asked in the board examination. Similar problems you may frame and practice them. Number 1, Eka boron. It is scandium, called as scandium. Then Eka aluminium is called as gallium. Mendeleev's periodic table based on this atomic mass. So modern periodic table based on atomic number. Group 1 and Group 2 are the S block elements, and Group 13 and Group 18 are the P blocks. Group 13 and 18 P block, that is D block is Group 3 and 3 to 12. Two elements in the same position. This is the demerit of the Newland's octave, and place for isotopes, it is the demerit of Mendeleev's periodic table. Beryllium is alkaline earth metal, whereas sodium is alkali metal. Chlorine belongs to the halogen group, and this argon belongs to the zero group element. Iodine is in solid state, whereas bromine is in liquid state. Electric motor, that is, converts the electrical energy into the mechanical energy, whereas this electric generator will convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Fleming's left-hand rule relates with the electric current, whereas Fleming's right-hand rule that relates to the direction of induced current. Alternating current, the nature is oscillatory, whereas direct current is non-oscillatory. We'll see the next question number 12. When ice is converted into water, at that time the temperature is constant, means it is a constant temperature. Before the water evaporates, means water is turning into the gaseous state. At that time the temperature is increasing. Relative humidity is greater than 60%. It is called as a saturated air, whereas relative humidity less than air is called as dry air. While studying anomalous behavior of this water in Hope's apparatus, the upper temperature of the thermometer is 0 degrees Celsius. Then the lower temperature of the thermometer is at 4 degrees Celsius. The density of water is high at 4 degrees Celsius. That is the anomalous behavior of water. The density of water is high at 4 degrees Celsius, termed anomalous behavior of the water. Shredded ice converted into solid ice ball, it is regelation. Specific latent heat of vaporization measured in terms of joule per kg, and specific heat has the unit of joule per kg degree Celsius. Here it is, unit is related with the physical quantity. 2n1, it is the refractive index of the media 2 with respect to the media 1, whereas 1 and 2, it is referred to as a refractive index of media 1 with respect to media 2. Refractive index of air is 1.0003, whereas the refractive index of water is 1.33. Convex lens, also known as a converging type of lens, whereas this concave lens is known as diverging type of the lens. Nearsightedness happening due to the elongated eyeball, whereas farsightedness is happening due to the flattening of the eyeball. Friends, we'll see the next correlation. These all problems are from the whole topics, that is 10 topics. Object is kept at 2f1 in front of this convex lens. The image is forming at 2f2. If the object is kept at f1, then the image will be at infinity. Nearsightedness, it is the concave lens correctness, and farsightedness you have to use the convex lens. Simple microscope, where is only one convex lens is used, number of convex lenses is 1, and in compound microscope number of convex lenses are 2. Focal length is measured in terms of meter, whereas power of a lens, it is measured in diopter. Here you could see the defect in the eye, that is myopia. The image is forming between the lens and this retina. Therefore, it could be corrected with the help of this concave lens. And here you could see the hypermetropia, that is defect in the vision. Image is forming behind the retina. Therefore, this could be corrected by using convex type of lens. Brass, it is made up of aluminum and zinc. Brass alloy is made from aluminum and zinc, whereas this bronze is made with copper and tin. Pressure cooker anodizing technique is used, and in a silver plated spoon you can use electroplating. In electrolytic reduction of alumina, anode is to be implied. On this alumina anode is where it is. Now this method is we are terming as, whereas cathode is grafting line. Cathode is at grafting line. So here you can say set of carbon graphite rods are to be used here. For this set of carbon, you could say graphite rods are used. Sulfide ores, roasting is carried out for concentration of the ores for the purification, and oxide ores you can use calcination. Bauxite, it is the aluminum ore, whereas calcerite, it is the ore of tin. Metal sheets are malleable. As the metals are malleable, sheet can be prepared. And in order to have electric wires, the metal property is ductile. Zinc sulfide, by using roasting method, you can purify, and this zinc carbonate, you can use calcination. Next, we will see rusting of iron is the formation of this molecular formula is Fe2O3. Rusting of iron is Fe2O3, whereas corrosion of copper, it is the CuCO3, copper carbonate. Diamond is electrical insulator, bad conductor, whereas dash dash is electric conductor. Here you can say the graphite, it is the electric conductor. These two, diamond and that of the graphite, are the allotropes of carbon. Soft metal is sodium, whereas hard metal is tungsten. Aluminium is good conductor, the electric conductor, whereas gold is electric insulator. Bronze, it is the alloy of copper and Sn, Cu plus Sn strong. Then tin is Cu plus Zn. Solid is the iodine, where bromine is in liquid state. CH3CH2CHO, it is a propane, therefore CH3COOH, it is the ethanoic acid. Ketone has the functional group CO, whereas ester have a functional group COO. Cyclohexene is a cyclic hydrocarbon, whereas isobutylene is the branched hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon having a single bond, whereas unsaturated hydrocarbon have a double and or triple bond. Saturated carbon compounds gives you blue flame, whereas unsaturated carbon compounds give you yellow flame. So friends, these are what the questions that are depending on in the whole syllabus from the topic number 1, gravitation, to till at the end 10th topic. So prepare them. You may additional problems you could see in the different reply study material, prepare them also. So friends, in the Next video we'll discuss with a different type of the questions that could be in the question number 1b. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye.